Hi there and welcome to Thursdays with Annette. I'm so glad you're joining me, and as you can see, I've got my trusty little apron on, so that means I'm making one of my deliciously fabulous recipes. So what is it this week? Well, it's my bacon, egg, potato salad out of book 6. So this is the book we're coming out of today, live to you from Budrum. And there is it was so good I gave it a whole page because it is such a good potato salad, and I'm really excited to make it for you because it is fabulous. So now I'm wondering if you've ever thought, wouldn't it be great if I had Annette as my coach? You know, what if I could email her, she's chatting to me? Would that help you with your weight loss? Well, you can sign up now and have me as your coach because I've just started my new online Simply With You mentoring program. Now, the great thing is the new challenge that starts on Monday, goes for 6 weeks, is ready for Monday. So if you want to sign up, now's the perfect time. I actually went live this morning with the closed Facebook group, and we were talking about next week's menu. Oh my gosh, yum! Anyway, so let's get cooking. I'm just excited about the mentoring program because I know it's going to be fabulous and support people so much. Now, the winners from last week's show, which was from the Mexican meatloaf, I know a lot of people were cooking that last week, and the lucky winners, and I've got to tell you, these girls were very, very happy to be told. Kim Lane was very excited, Lynette Coles, super fizzy, and Marilyn Peters was very excited to be getting a Cooking for 1 or 2 book, personally signed from me. So of course, you know I'll be giving something away, so hang out for that at the end. So let's start cooking because this recipe is so fantastic. You know, tomorrow is the last day of summer, or is today the last day of summer? But I say this salad is good all year round. Yes, it is. And when you think of potato salad, I'm sorry, it can be just so high in fat. So what I'm going to do is just quickly throw this together for you. So you start with some bacon, and I've got that lovely lean bacon shortcut. So you can see it's got hardly any fat at all, and that's the one you want to use. You need 150 grams of that. We want some of the Spanish onion, half a cup diced, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, 3 boiled eggs, half a cup of the 97% fat-free mayonnaise, a little bit of pepper, you've got your whole grain mustard, and a little bit of garlic, and of course you've got your taties. Now in this I've used new potatoes, you need 1 kilo, and I've kept the skin on because I think that's really nice. If you don't have new potatoes, then peel the skin and it'll be fine. So let's get chopping. So first of all, I'm going to start with the bacon, and we want to dice each of the pieces, and I might turn my frying pan up to get ready. So I've prepped up a couple of things. First of all, I've done the potato because I wanted to have that cooled, because you fold it all together and I didn't want to be burning my hands on hot potato. So I just did them prior to starting the show. And what you do with that is you cut your potatoes in quarters, but if they're big, sometimes you can't get the small new potatoes, and that's okay. Just cut it into 1/6 instead of quarters. And as I said, I really like the skin on them. Now you're dicing the bacon, and you'll cut the potato, and then you microwave in a little water on high for about 15 minutes. Oh, I love the sizzle of bacon. I know, seriously, bacon, egg, potato. Yeah, how awesome. I know my daughter Jenna gets asked to make this all the time when she visits a certain group of friends. So she was very excited to know I was cooking it. Let me just put these in the dishwasher, and I'm going to wash my hands. My little sink, soapy sink, always have that ready for the show. All right, so we're just going to cook that bacon off. And while that's cooking, I'm going to do the onion. So now I've used the Spanish onion, but if you haven't got one at home, any onion will do. You can even do shallots. I mean, I just like using, I like the colour look when you've got all the different things in the mix. All right, so we do a small dice. Such a pretty colour, isn't it? Just small dice. You don't want really big chunks of onion in your mash when you're eating your potato salad. And a traditional potato salad is mainly based on potato and, oh, my fry pan's gone. Oh, hello. What's going on here? There we go. Potato salad is based on oodles of high-fat mayonnaise. The poor potato doesn't get a chance. And so it's really important that you follow what I do, because from this you'll see how to do healthy, low-fat recipes. And you know, you could say, look, I am the low-fat queen of Australia, but what I'm also about, and which is really important, is the low saturated fat. That's what I really focus on, you know, because everyone's saying, oh, low fat, you know, makes you fat. No, we want a low saturated fat diet, perfect. To heart health is really important. So let me just move this. Oh, the bacon's sizzling away now. I want to brown that off a little bit. All right, let's get rid of this. Okay, so here's our potato, as you can see, already done. And they're perfect little, you know, dip your fork in and in my mouth, thank you very much. And you want it so that it holds its shape, but you don't want it raw in the middle. I cannot tolerate a hard potato salad. No, thank you very much. But then I also don't want a mushy one. So this is where I did the 15 minutes and it was perfect. So that's my microwave, and it's 1,000 watt. So just depends on what wattage you have on your microwave. That's nearly done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the onion. And the idea of this is you basically just put everything in and give it a mix. All right. How's that bacon going? I think that bacon is pretty well done. I'll give it another minute. Now, the fat count of this recipe is 6.1 per serve and 161 calories. So this is fantastic for a beautiful side dish. And I think, as I said, I wouldn't just keep this for summer. I keep it for any time of the year. But I just realised I haven't done my eggs. So let me get my little chopping board back. And I'm just going to cut these up. Now, we've boiled the 3 eggs. Let's do that. I think that's looking fantastic. I'm just going to put that bacon into it to let it cool for a little minute while I'm prepping up the other stuff. Remember, use those bacon shortcuts because they're beautiful and lean. And I mean, this goes with anything, steak, chicken, you name it. This is one of those potato salads that you will put on your agenda as a family favourite. Guarantee! Okay, so now we're going to do the eggs. So you've got the 3 boiled eggs and you're just going to cut them into quarters. Try and keep that egg together a little bit with the yolk. There we go. Oh, see, look, get back in there, you little blighter. And last one. And we're going to do that at the very end. We're not going to put them in right now. I'm going to add them in a minute because I want to fold them in at the last because I don't want them to break up too much. Now, this is a little thing I have in my drawer that I like, and it's one of those little egg prickers. So inside here, there's a little sharp pin, and if you touch it, it sticks in you. And so what you do with your egg is you push it down into it, and it puts a little hole in your raw egg. So when you boil it, the chances of it exploding are very, very minimal. So, you know, look out for that in your kitchen shop. So it's called, it's got here, oh, it's in French. Oh, piercer or puncher. Anyway, it's an egg thing. All right, so there's my eggs done. This is ready. let's get my gloves on because this is where the magic happens, and we're going to mix it all together. It keeps really well. The longer you have it, the more fabulous it is. So we've got our potato in, remember it was a kilo, and chopped up and then boiled. Drain it well before you put it in your bowl. Now I'm going to put in the 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Now you can, if you want, do chopped mint. It's really up to you. But I've got a few different potato salads in book 2, and there's another one. There's the deluxe potato salad. Not sure what book that's out of. It doesn't come to mind. I think it's book 4. And you've got the normal potato salad. So this is just a little bit different, and I wanted to sort of try different things for each of the recipes. You don't want the same old, same old. So now I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of garlic. Now I'm going to put that in with the mayo because I actually like to mix it up, because if you put it in there, it's going to get a bit lost. We want a bit of pepper. Just a bit of cracked pepper is always fantastic, I think, in anything. 2 tablespoons of the seeded mustard. Now, I'm going to do it again where I put it in with the mayonnaise. You don't have to, it doesn't tell you to do it in the recipe, but this is where you get the totally different ideas that I sometimes have as I go. All right, so I mix that in with the mayo, and as I said, we're using the 97% fat-free, so that's going to just make it so much more healthier. Scrape it all in, so basically it all goes in, which is typical of Annette, isn't it? Chuck it all together. I've got everything in. Now, you just fold it together. Oh, yum. See, if I had the eggs in now, we'd be breaking them up too much, wouldn't we? And I love the little bits of the bacon coming through and the parsley and the purple onions. It looks a very interesting salad. There we go. I think that's looking pretty good. And now the last thing is putting in the eggs. There we go. So I'm just going to fold them through. I mean, they will break up to a certain degree, but we can't worry about that because that's what eggs do. Now I've got my little dish. Let's put it all in. Oh, look at that. Are you getting hungry just watching it? So you can see that this is a super easy recipe that I just think everyone will love. There it is with all the things. The bacon, egg, potato salad. I mean, who knew weight loss could be so deliciously healthy? Let me put this away. Let me just show it a little bit closer. There it is. That's the beautiful salad, and it's so scrummy with as a side dish with anything. And I don't think it needs to be a summer salad either. So now just remember, you can sign up for my mentoring program right now, and the challenge, the first 6-week challenge starts on Monday. So, you know, be there because I'm waiting for you. Now, next week's show is going to be the day before International Women's Day. So I want to talk to you. I'm going to be out of the kitchen this time. I'm not going to be in the kitchen. I'm going to talk about women's health and how we can give you some good tips to better your health. Now, of course, you're going to want to win this fabulous book 6. Hello, it's got the fantastic 28-day masterclass. So if you want that, you need to like the page, share, and then in the comments you're going to write, oh look, I've got mayonnaise over everything, hashtag Symply with the number 2 good. And I'll pick 3 fabulous people to win the book. So thanks for joining me this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I know we're going to be having this for dinner tonight. And I hope you have an awesome week. And remember, Monday, mentoring program, the challenge starts. Excited! Bye now.